Hello guys, we're back again with some more Bitcoin technical analysis. Now, right here, the last time I made a video saying that we were going to probably dip down lower, which we did. We did dip down lower, took some profit, and then we pumped, and then we dipped back down going sideways. And now at the moment, we look like we just broke out today. We had a 1% move, and right now it is, I drew this small little triangle to see where we're at. Again, this is undecided. We could right now, it looks like we could create another high, a little short, probably roughly go touch 800 again. It's my best bet. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, it would go just above 800 if we do pump. Now that's if we go to short-term analysis, if we go sideways. Now if you go back looking at the grand screen, this is the 5-minute chart on Trading Light. Now I realized that it was free for demo release. So right now, to the Discord, okay. Again, we drew the same triangle, but in the shorter time frame. So there would be a create your zone of buys at 708. But you could go a little higher. It's up to you. I put in a long, just 25% of my equity into a long, because it is very possible as to go pump up. Right now it's undecisive. So I did lose some Bitcoin, as I said. I decided to go take a gamble on metal, but we're gonna hide my lines on metal. Just look at metal, okay? So where is that? Where would I show it at? Is this? Yeah, it's the 1 hour chart. So as you see, metal had a huge dump and then it pumped back up. And then it's literally just sliding down. It was a bad trade on my part. I lost a bit of Bitcoin. So I'm trying to make it back up in leverage trading. So right now, we could have a long in position right now. Now this is a tight long because we don't know what the market's going to do. Right now the market is going down. It's having a down day, but the same day Bitcoin had an up day, which is sort of ironic. Let's go check. So I guess today Bitcoin was following the DXY. Again, we could have a straight long. As you notice, our past lines, I haven't done T in a while. I haven't touched this chart in a while. So we are above the 50 EMA, which is good. We could go down to the low of 574, but it would roughly be in the 600 range if we do go down. Buy volume is picking up, sell volume is dropping, so this could be just trading bots trying to shake out the weak hands. Now this common strategy we talked about, staying above the 63, 68, that is bullish. We did have a strong drop to go touch the 50 EMA before we blasted off. So again, I only took 25% stake in this long. Now if we do dip down to the 50 EMA, I would pretty much say all in. You do dip down there, or just watch it, because that would be a clear line of accumulation. Because in a bull market, you always go touch the 50 EMA until you blast off. This right here, this move that we've seen, looks like a strong indicator of a bull run. Now, if we do break out of this triangle, we're doing that. I'm gonna go there. Again, our main target is that 13. Is that this? It's not the same size. Okay, Control C, Control V. Thank you. Now we do have a target right now. Basically at that 12K range. That's our target for the next run up. Now when do we expect the run up? According to this, we expect it tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. So, well, 7 a.m. That'll be about 2.5 hours. We expect the move to go up. Yeah, this is interesting. Now the greed, we are in the greed 56. Now we not are overly greed, so we're still technically still bullish. But again, there's that bearish correction that might come in. Again, this is not really telling us much, but the buy volume is. Now you've seen this massive sell of 125, didn't push down the price, and we pumped up, meaning we are expecting a bullish move in the short term. Now, right now, our critical line of support would be roughly 736, basically $10 for a shorter term analysis. So this one was a 11 Bitcoin dump. Again, that's interesting right there. That 125 dump that didn't do anything. That's pretty bullish. You have this dump right here that's pretty massive volume. So there looks like there's going to be a play. We could take a bigger position, but again, I already have a pretty good position in for a long. That's pretty, you know me, over leverage everything. People freak out about my leveraging because that's how confident I am in my trade. So I'm again along, and again, if you look at every YouTuber and all that, everyone's bullish right now. Everyone's bullish. We're all going to go to the moon. Presidential elections, we know we're going to get a stimulus check, so let's price that in. But where's that price in? Where's the price in of the extra trillions of dollars going to get pumped into this? Now, past news that I've been absent, sorry guys, from this all the way in. Grayscale got their Ethereum that they can offer customers, so they've been accumulating Ethereum. But again, Ethereum is like the daddy of smart contracts. It looks like it's never going to go away, and it's pretty much here to stay. So take that with a grain of salt. What else can I say? What else can I say? Well, there's really not much else to say. We're just looking for the next Bitcoin move, and right now on the smaller time frame from this wick to this, do you expect that 11,942 to 11,898? I think we could break through this wall. And on the larger time frame from the pump flag to now, we're going to be hitting that low 12,114 at minimum, but we could pass that 12,145, which that would be a really good really good long for you if you're wanting to go gamble. I don't know, I'm doing more than $100, but again, tossing $100 pretty around that 40-50x leverage, you could be making a pretty penny. But again, we gotta be also watching the markets right now. But again, Bitcoin is disconnected from the market. The market dumped, Bitcoin went up, but DXY dumped. So I did sell out of my crypto.com, and we noticed what happened. Now I had to watch a video because I sold out like right here. I didn't know about it was gonna dump this hard. But what I learned is that they cut their staking reward for holding their coin, because the whole idea of holding crypto.com is getting all the perks for their cards, and then you can stake it. Well, it used to be 20%, and then it dropped down to 6%, and that's what caused this dump. And it was out of nowhere. The problem with I don't know if crypto.com is a scam or not, but again, the problem with this move, what caused this drastic move downward, was, let's see how much it was. Let's see, since I sold it, this would have been a 30% loss. This is due to poor communications. And I did work with a project one time. Again, poor communication will lead to negative income. That's what's something else with MetalPay. I went to their Telegram to see what's up, and again, they have no communication about Metal. They're promoting Proton, which again, Proton is not even on an American exchange besides the MetalPay app. So what are they doing with Metal but focusing on Proton? And then also on their Twitter feed, all they talk about is Chainlink. They're just shilling Chainlink. So I really don't know if Metal is a good investment. I don't know if they're going to succeed. I don't know. It doesn't look good right now. And we also talked about Nano. How buying sub $1 Nano, you always get pumped to $1. Well, look at that. We're almost at $1. After months of holding, you're almost at $1. I did sell out of Litecoin, Ethereum, got in the Metal, but again, I sold out. Because it's a joke, honestly. And I have better luck leveraging Bitcoin. Litecoin is, since we last did it, it did drop. Nothing much, just going sideways movement since we last talked about it. Ethereum got a nice little pump with that news on Grayscale, but again, it's undecided because of the version 2 that's supposed to come out. XMR is doing great. It's still pumping like no other. I really like it. I don't hold any. Grayscale, I do hold Grayscale in my retirement, and it's doing amazing as usual. Again. Then also Riot. If you bought in the Riot, you would be making money, a lot of money. I do expect Riot to even grow even more. It could be one of the top public companies for people to invest in. What's surprising, XLM pumped. XRP pretty much going sideways, not doing anything. There's nothing else to talk about. Wi-Fi, complete shit show. I don't get how people can still support this. It's just devastating. Maybe it's the bottom. We also talked about the $4 Polkadot, and look at Polkadot. We're at the $4 mark. Not surprising. Polkadot is still undecided what's going to happen. Well, and then stock market. I don't know what to say about it. Let's just check. I haven't checked the stock market. Oh wow, it's pumped all the way back up. So take that with a grain of salt. We're near all-time highs, and people freak. And I like how the news comes out when we have a drop like today, and they're like, "Oh, the stock market dropped. It's the end of the world." Like how close we are to all-time highs. I swear, news media during election times is a complete joke. They don't even know what the hell they're talking about. So yeah, pretty much it. All I have to say right now, Bitcoin looks like another long is in the works to hit our end of the year target of 13,000 to 14,000. That was our primary target. But yeah, let's just check out the, oh, see, look at that. That's still bullish. Look at that volume. We got bull volume coming in. And then you got that sell volume, but then volume doesn't know. So it looks like Bitcoin is leading the CME right now. CME is just backing off. Haven't filled the gap yet. So are we going to fill it? I don't know. If Bitcoin remains in a bull run, it could get volatile. We could dip down below it on election day. So I don't know if I'm going to be trading on election day. I think it's November 4th. So we still got a couple days left of trading to determine where's Bitcoin going to go. Again, right now it looks like it's going to go up. So pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.